Yung spider first one. 2 minutes ko ng tao dito. Ay, ang pinag-gold ko, walang tumutunga.
Ilang minutes na lang?
Gumagalaw, gumagalaw! Spiders moving! Ay, ayun, gumagalaw po. Sa inyo.
Ngayon ako, itatransform na mag-isa. Yung tier 4 block. Mag-gear up muna ako ng proper.
Ay, ka, sir.
Holy heal na lang ako.
Bam. Wala, pinartilot ko lang. Gago, may one shot. Take the gold core, ah.
Lang. Droning ako.
Tangin na mo.
Ilang minutes na ng gold core?
Nandito na yung IP. Nag-grab na, gago.
Go nyo na kaya yan.
Take the, take the gold core.
Sabi na akong pang-healer, pina-healer mo pa ako.
Wala kasing holy. Holy shit. Ngayon, ang dami ng holy. Eh, ngayon yan, biglang nagpalit eh.
Porting pa kayo. Number 5.
Down, take it down. Nightmare, take it.
Stuff.
Walk ko lang, walk.
Di daw,
Ano daw?
May
Oh.
may napakasap lang po ng farmer's hall.
Ha?
Person. Wild one sa
Ha?
universe. Bro,
Oo, hindi. Saan naman eh? Yung city ko nga.
You need to give it to Tang. Nightmare, take it.
Sweet!
Putik pa.
I'm flex screen. Switch plate.
Don't hit anyone. We're gonna fight next zone.
Oh, everything.
May demon pa rin, no?
Shit. Nag-black screen, pre.
Wag.
Clear comms.
Mounted, mounted.
Kamis, tipo kamis.
Pag-inig na bulit. Pa.
Sino?
Hindi yung pag-disman na. Kamis. Kumakbo naman.
Wala.
If you don't see the crown, mount up. If you don't see the crown, mount up.
Nakitiki yung ano, yung report.
Pre, kunin nyo kaya to.
Ay,
Ikaw
nightmare.
naman.
Kaya ako naman si nightmare. Bigyan mo sa ditaw.
Oh.
Okay.
They dismounted behind.
Ayun na dismounted west.
They dismounted OC.
Quick check. Commerce na, commerce. Pagpag kayo independent nyo. Hold. Kamis. Spread. Double Johnny.
Dilupin na.
Double Johnny.
Meme!
Taking gate west. Fake. Sticky.
Tangin na, naglalaga ako, pre.
Just keep, bro. Just sabi siyang. They're looking ha. Defense. You're fucking natural clump again ha. West. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club. Big club. Delete this. No, kamis on bro. Just keep, bro. Sabi siyang. They have engaged. You're not turret clumping again, man ha. You fucking don't know how to spread.
Ready giga.
They have engaged now. Come west. 10 seconds again engage. Come west. Come south. 5. South 4. Wait. 3, 2. Holy shit. 1. On my club. Big club. Holy shit. I feel. Come Martis. All. Martis establish some. Defense at the front. Well played ha. You're really good ha. Nice one. You died. Fucking bullshit, bro. You guys are really good. Keep bro.
na kayo, okay na.
10 seconds.
Okay na.
Galing yung dalawa ha. Idol kayo ha. South 5, west side 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club. Big lam on me. That's it. Mamatay na itong isa. Spread now. That's our club pa. Sige. Spread. Is gonna look for club. Roll on me. Tapos on me. He's my front. He's my front. West side 12 seconds. Oh, another enemy yun. Wild dogs, west side. Come west, everyone. West 5, northwest 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club, big club. Takin ang dami po. Kamis. Stop rolling. Kamis. Spread, man. Spread. I told you stop rolling and spread. Enemies looking ha. Come southwest now. Heal my friend. Come west. Roll pa. Tangina nyo. West 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club. Big club. No spread. Kamis and spread. Ito color nila. Good shit ha. Burn this guys inside. Burn this guys inside. 15 seconds again English. OC now. OC now. Come southwest. Going southwest. West side 5. West side 4. 3, 2, 1. On my club. Big club on me. Nice. Delete. That's it. Burn there. Nasaan na yung isang alert? Defense at the front. Push west and burn. Bro, don't dump the fucking core, man. Holy shit. West 5. Wala na, tayo na. Kamis. GG na daw.
Pili na.
Grabe yung core, sir. Nasaan na yung wild dogs na wala? Kamis. Ito. Wild dogs. Cut him.
Stop pacing.
Dismounted. Wala. Boys, man! Ano ba to? Ano ba yan? Sino ba itong mga to? Sino tong nasa west?
Dismounted sila, boss.
Kamoys. Sino tong limang kolokoy na to? Kamoys. Yari kayo sabot sa akin mamaya. Ayaw nyo makinig ha? Anim mo pala kayo dyan ha? Sinabi ko stop chasing eh. Kamis. Nakikinig ang putik. Fake engage niya, wala. Spread. Going for engage ha. Caller. South 5, South 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club, big club on me. Yan o, patay na lahat. Spread. Keep bro. Wala nang defense no, patay na lang. Execute na. Makinig kayo, man. Hindi naman mahirap yung command eh. Leash eh. Diba? Please, hindi yung anim kayo, doon pa kayo.
Oo, Doc, kill mo yun yung mga rater.
Patayin niyo yung ano, buti oh. Well dog.
Yung 6-2 yun, 6-2 golem. Ano ka?
Nabantag niyo ako eh. Naku, basag lahat. Naku.
5.
Magsatis. Makinig kayo, men. Makinig kayo. Hindi yung anim kayo at ayaw niyo makinig. Burn kayo ng burn ng mga cheater dun. Wala na yun eh. Tipin mo, 90% ng zard mo, ganyan yung isip. May sariling utak, ayaw na sumunod sa caller. Tapos pag namatay kayo dun, magtatawag kayo tulong-tulong. Bakit? Long. Just listen to fucking call. Listen to your fucking caller, man. Stick with the fucking alert. How hard is that? How long are you playing Albion, man? How long are you doing small scale? You still can follow simple command. Imagine we're doing CBZ. 90% of you not following. We're all gonna die. We're just gonna lose. Waste of time, man. Kayo? Tambahan kayo yung caller niya. Better ang patay mga nandun, ha. Ulit nyo, ha. Napatay niyo yung ano, yung ibon. Namatay yun, di ba?
Basta, Bosex, may maraming point for na napatay dun. Mga action.
Hindi sila nag-OC.
Ano yun? Wild dog? Wild dog?
May malicious crew, wild dogs, halo-halo.
Hindi na OC yung ano. Yung wild dog na caller. Dala-dala niyo yung OC.
Future please, I'm black screen. Future please.
Drop all loot kay loot, guys, ha. Tangina nyo.
Yung ano yan, yung caller.
Kukunin ko sa ano eh, ang daming naglulot eh.
Kapag ganun yung DPS, wipe agad.
Alam mo bakit, Macman? Doon kasi ako eh.
Pag nag-sink in yung damage na, wipe yung kalaban eh. Lalo ka
Sarap ng ikot ko doon, Macman. Dalawa agad patay.
Ilan ba namatay sa
Tatlo.
Tatlo. Hindi nag-pack ng defensive yung dalawang pulukoy na to. Sino yun? Si Mercard tsaka si ano?
Si Sticky naman nagdalan.
Imagine you
Namatay
died
ko.
tier 7, bro. Imagine you died tier 7 enemy. That's crazy. You don't know how to pack your defensive. Tiki ba yun? Nagdalag daw siya. May dalag TV.
知らんでしまったもんよ。まだチンプレットなんてしまったもん。
2 DPS, bro. Pack defensive, man. If you're playing defense, you don't know how to pack defensive. You're gonna die in enemy trap, bro.
Alright, I'm gonna pull this.
Kevin na yung kalaban. Mamatay pa kayo nun, eh. Crazy. Stop dying from tier 7 enemies, man. We do busy enemies on T9, T10. Yung tier 7, you're dying.
Owen, pwede mag-push to ka, Owen?